like a flip cup. So I'm just going to start to tip over. It looks really cool. And just hope that paint travels. Yes, it's traveling into the neck nicely. Gosh, those colors look so nice. Wow, look at that. And look, it's getting some really nice cells. Oh, really pretty. And underneath is amazing. Gosh, absolutely amazing. Oh, we're just gonna start pouring. Wow, that looks incredible. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, wow. I definitely didn't need to use as much. Definitely didn't need to use as much paint as I have. So that's good to know for next time. You see how strong the black is, hey? Like, it's just really strong. Oh, there's some nice bronze left in my cup and I never used it all. But I've got some quite sweet little souls coming through. So maybe I should leave it. Oh, this looks so cool. I just don't want to lose this bronze. Anyway, no, that looks good. I think that's the whole thing of art, is knowing when to stop. So, how cool is that, eh? Really has come out quite nicely. My metallic bauble. Very happy with that. So, let's go for it. Wow. So nice. Sort of doing little rings now. See if I can get the last of that bit of red to come through. Gosh, that does look pretty. Goodness. So it's ended up looking really lovely. The colors and oh, it's amazing. So I was a little bit worried that this would, like I say, look quite candy cane, but not at all. I think it's stunning. Such lovely colors. I'm going to actually go around in quite a big arc because I want to encourage that paint to travel down enough to get to the neck of the bauble. And I'm probably going to help it with my fingers, you know, going into the sections like here. You know, I'm just helping wet it all the way along the paint. So that's how I've decided to do this. Let me just move my little cup out and just take it into the neck of the bauble. So it's all nicely covered with paint. I'm going to just show you how I do that. And it's literally like a tree ring pour. You just go round and round and round. And it just starts to move down the bauble. I'm trying to get to that nice blue. But it looks really pretty. Use up that deep blue at the bottom of the cup. So you can see how it's sort of gone down the bauble. It's gone all the way into the neck of the bauble. So, you know, just wetting it the way we did was a good idea. It's really nice. I tell you, these are such fun to do. And they could make such great Christmas presents. So you can see how cool that is. Look at those rings. Look at that there. And then you got the gold around that side. But that in itself, I think, is just beautiful. So pretty. Just going to bring you back because that's opened out here. Oh wow, look at that. But this gold that's opened out here looks lovely too. I think these are my favorite style of bauble, the tree rings. I just love them. Oh wow, look at that. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to keep this as like a loose tree ring paw. Just close up that top. Ooh, such nice colors. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is a nice one. Look at that. Look at it. Oh, I get so excited when we get one and it just works. Oh, the green and the turquoise and the gold. Perfect. Just a perfect bauble. I really love that. And it's all traveled into the neck. Well, come on. Do your last bit of travel. Go in, go in, go in, go in. Close up the gap. It's closing. Going around in a circle because I want the paint to be able to travel down. And then as I get to the end, I'm just going to flip. How cool is that? That is fantastic. Oh, it looks so nice. We bring that up to you. Those colors are just superb with all the gold. Wow. These have been so much fun. Really have been a lot of fun to do. Gosh, it looks lovely. Do this again as a slow, like tree ring. Like an open tree ring. Not a tight tree ring. But these colors are looking so nice. Oh, wow. Wow. It's got some lovely gold in there. I want to bring it out if I can. I think that looks amazing. Look at it up against, I'll bring it up close. They're really lovely colors. Gosh, I wish I'd done a few more of these colors. It's like soft blue, but and you've got that hint of the deep blue, but not too deep. Oh, it's lovely. It's a really pretty bauble. And there's more than enough paint. It's gone all the way. Do the same again. I'm going to do that kind of loose tree ring paw idea. Wow, look at that. Gosh, how cool is this color combination? Wow. I am loving this. As the last bauble. Perfect one to end on. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, It is so beautiful. Look how cool that is. And if I come around the sides here, it is just so lovely. Oh, it's really nice. You've got the big opening up of the magenta there. It's funny, they call it magenta in the Montmartre range, but to me it's almost like a purple. Anyway, but it just looks so lovely. And then the aqua with the gold overlaying it there. Gosh,